Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem they gave us today, they just wanted to find X and a Y value for these. So you might look at it and say, wow, this is a little complicated. But hey, if you just remember the angle rules, okay? Well, we got the biggest one here is this straight angle. See it right in here? This tells us that the straight angle, this whole thing here, is 180. Is 180. And with this whole thing here is also 180. So now, all we really have to do is set up equations. Okay, that equals 180. So hey, let's just do the top one first. So we got 3x minus 20 plus 2x equals 180. Equals 180. So let's solve for that. Okay, let's combine like terms. Okay, so the 3x and the 2x will combine to 5x. 5x. Then we still have the minus 20 equals 180. Now we got to get rid of the minus 20. So let's add 20 to this. Okay, so we add 20 to this. We add 20 to this side. And remember, what we do to one side, we got to do to the other side. Okay, so these two cross out. The 5x comes down. So we get 5x. Let me draw a little line here. Okay, now this is 200. That's easy. Put the equal sign down. So now we still got to get the x by itself. How are we going to do that? We divide. This is 5 times x, so the opposite of times is division. So we divide this side by 5, and we divide this side by 5. These two cross out. Let me bring it down a little bit. So you bring it down, it's going to be x. The x comes down, right? Equals 200 divided by 5 is 40. We just solved for x. Look at that. That was pretty easy. Okay. Hey, now let's do the same thing for y. Okay. So I'm going to draw a straight line down here to separate this whole thing. Okay. So there's the x. Now the y. It's y over 2. Y over 2 plus 30. Plus 30. Now plus 100. Plus 100. Equals 180. Hey, we're doing good on this, okay? So now we got a couple options. Let's subtract, okay? Let's subtract the 30 and the 100. So we're going to subtract one. We're going to subtract the 30. So we minus the 30, and we're going to minus 100. I'm going to do them both at the same time, and then equals minus 130. I can do this in my head, okay? So I just did it in my head, okay? So now you bring this down. This is going to be 50. 50, and it equals. These two cross each other out. So we get y over 2 equals 50. So hey, we still got to get y by itself. How are we going to do that? This is y divided by 2. What's the opposite of divided? Multiply. So we multiply this side by 2. Let's put in little brackets. And we multiply this side by 2. So it comes down, this 2 crosses out. So it's y equals 100. And that was it. Look at that. We solved for both of these. See? So even when it looks complicated, you try to remember, hey, what rules did I learn? Okay? What angle rules we got? Straight line. And that was it. Okay, so we just learned one. We know it's 180 degrees on any side of that line, and we can solve it. So, as you see, this was solvable, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to help my YouTube ratings. If you know any mathematical friends or know students in school, they might be coming across something like this, and that way they don't panic. They'd say, oh yeah, hey, I can do this, okay? And you have a great day. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.